The Sri Lankan culinary experience is a vibrant and flavorful journey that every traveler to this island nation should undertake. From spicy curries to sweet desserts, Sri Lankan food offers a treat for the senses. Here are the top 10 dishes and drinks you must try during your Sri Lankan culinary adventure. Number 10. Rice and curry is a staple dish in Sri Lanka, consisting of rice and various curries, including chicken, beef, fish, or vegetables, served on a platter. The spicy sambal condiment and crispy papadums add flavor to the meal. This dish reflects Sri Lanka's culinary heritage and is a must-try for experiencing the country's food culture. Number 9. String hoppers are thin, steamed noodles made from rice flour and water, popular in Sri Lanka and South India. They are served with a variety of curries and are a great complement to the rich and spicy flavors. String hoppers are a popular breakfast dish in Sri Lanka and a great gluten-free option for those looking for an alternative to wheat-based noodles. Number 8. Chicken curry. This Sri Lankan dish is a delicious combination of tender chicken simmered in a rich and creamy curry sauce. Made with aromatic spices such as cumin, coriander, turmeric, and cloves, along with coconut milk, onions, garlic, and ginger, it has a mild to medium spiciness balanced by the sweetness of the coconut milk. It's a flavorful and comforting meal enjoyed worldwide. Number 7. Seafood. Sri Lankan seafood dishes are known for their bold flavors and unique spices, with fish curry and prawn dishes being the most popular. From spicy coconut curries to tangy tomato-based sauces, there are plenty of options to try. Pair your meal with coconut water or lion beer to beat the heat and enjoy the island's culinary delights. Number 6. King coconut is a unique variety of coconut native to Sri Lanka with a distinct shape, size, and taste. It has softer flesh and is sold by roadside vendors who expertly chop off the top for sipping its refreshing and sweet water. It is perfect for use in desserts and drinks and is a rich source of electrolytes, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, making it an excellent source of hydration and essential for maintaining a healthy body. Number 5. Kottu roti. A popular Sri Lankan dish, is a flavorful and nutritious meal made with shredded roti bread, vegetables, and meat, stir-fried to infuse the flavors throughout. The accompanying spicy gravy adds an extra punch of flavor and heat, making it a favorite among those who enjoy spicy food. It can be found in Sri Lankan restaurants around the world and is a must-try for anyone visiting Sri Lanka. Number 4. Ceylon tea. The tea industry in Sri Lanka dates back to the 1860s and is now one of the country's largest exports. Visiting a tea plantation offers the opportunity to witness the tea-making process and try Ceylon tea, known for its taste and health benefits. Number 3. Lamprey is a traditional dish in Sri Lanka, originating from Dutch colonial times. It consists of boiled rice, meat curry, blatchen, ash plantain curry, eggplant pickle, and a boiled egg, all wrapped in a banana leaf and steamed. The dish is commonly served for lunch and is a popular choice at family gatherings and special occasions. The fusion of Dutch and Sri Lankan cuisine makes it a unique and flavorful meal. Number 2. Watalapan is a traditional Sri Lankan dessert served at special occasions and celebrations. The dessert has a rich and caramelized taste from the jaggery and a smooth and creamy texture from the coconut milk. Eggs are used to bind the ingredients and create a light and fluffy consistency, while variations may include spices like cardamom, cinnamon, or nutmeg to enhance the flavor. Number 1. Hoppers are a popular Sri Lankan breakfast dish made with rice flour, coconut milk, yeast, sugar, and salt. The batter is fermented overnight, creating a tangy and airy texture. Hoppers are typically served with various toppings, including onion sambal and curry, but can also be eaten plain. They are an important part of Sri Lankan cuisine and can now be found in many Sri Lankan and international restaurants worldwide. One of the key ingredients in Sri Lankan cuisine is coconut, which is used in many different forms, including coconut milk, coconut oil, and grated coconut. Spices such as cinnamon, cardamom, cumin, coriander, and turmeric are also commonly used, giving the dishes a rich and complex flavor. Sri Lankan cuisine is also known for its vegetarian options, with many dishes featuring lentils, chickpeas, and vegetables. Seafood is also a popular choice, with fresh fish and prawns being widely available. Overall, Sri Lankan cuisine is a must-try for anyone who loves bold and flavorful food. With its unique blend of spices and ingredients, it offers a culinary adventure that is sure to satisfy your cravings.